Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first, open the settings, click on the Wallpapers and Style, and now just click on Wallpapers. So here you can choose something from your own photo album, one from Inventive Wallpapers, Carousel Wallpaper, and then you can pick also live or static wallpaper from the default ones. So let me choose, for example, this one. Obviously you can check each wallpaper and then decide if it's the one you want to have. And let me apply this first choice of mine, then tap on apply, and here you need to decide if it's just for your lock screen or both of them, and I would like to apply it for both. And that's it. As you can see from now on, this brand new wallpaper is applied on both home screen and lock screen. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.